Hello there and welcome to this video. In this session, I'm going to be dealing with learning activity 12, and that is how to send an email using the BCC field. To start with, I'm going to go to New. Actually, before I do that, to find the BCC field and have it in your email, you first need to go to Options, go to See All Options, go to Settings, and tick the box which says Always Show BCC and click on Save, and then go back to Mail, and then I'll start. But I need to explain a bit. You probably should have found out in your research before coming to this video that the BCC field is actually BCC stands for the blind carbon copy field, and what we use that field for is mainly to protect privacy. If you're sending an email to a lot of people and you don't want to reveal someone's email address, okay, you put their email address in the BCC field. So what happens is when you send the email, no one else will see their email address in there. And it's really important, especially when you're dealing with people who are quite high up in organizations, or let's say in the school. I'm sending an email and I know Mr. Murphy's email address. If I'm sending the email to all the teachers, I probably won't put Mr. Murphy's email address in the To or the CC field. I'll put it in the BCC field because it's to protect his privacy, okay, and protect his email address from falling into the wrong hands. And that is what you use the BCC field for. So to start, I'm going to go to New and go to Message. And now, as you can see, I have my To field, my CC field, my BCC field, and my subject field. Now, I'm just going to click at the top and push my signature down before I start. So the To field, the person I'm sending the email to, is someone@somewhere.com again. And the CC field, as we talked about, is someone who might be interested in the email, but they don't need to reply. And at the same time, they don't need to have their privacy protected. Okay, so I'll just put in a fake email there, and that will be personinterested@yahoo.com. Okay, and then the BCC field is someone who is interested in the email, might want to respond, but they don't want their email addresses to be shown or displayed for everyone to see. They want to protect their privacy. So in the BCC field, I put on there, okay, I'll put someone secret, okay, someone actually private @gmail.com. Give me a second. gmail.com. Okay, and then the subject, once again, invitation to football tournament. Okay, and then I will start as a normal business email with my salutation: Dear Mr., Dear Miss, and I'll write the main body of the email, and then I will conclude by yours faithfully, kind regards. Let me bring up my signature a bit. And now this is what I've done here. Okay, so let me just show you quickly by highlighting the To field, the person I'm sending the email to. Okay, they don't mind if their email address is revealed. And then the person interested field, okay, in the CC column. In the CC field, they are interested in the email. They might be interested, but they don't need to reply because it doesn't really apply to them. And then in the BCC field, we have the person who is private, doesn't want to really get their email address out there and get people to know their email address. We all know, how many times have we got a forwarded message and you can see all kinds of people's emails at the top. You shouldn't do that when you're in a business. There are some people who would like their email address to be private. And then we have our salutation, Dear Mr., Dear Miss. We have our main body, and we have our signing out, and that's it. That is how you send an email using the BCC field. Now please go and do it now.